Om Ganeshaya Namaha. I request you all to go through the disclaimer first. This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. Today we are going to study the horoscope of Mr. Modi ji. This is for an analyzation purpose only, a educational purpose. Modi ji was born in a Dakshinayana period. Date 17th of September 1950. Day is a Sunday. Time 11:40 am. Birth star Anuradha. Birth Rashi Vrichika. Lagna, the ascendant, is also Vrichika. The point to be noted, Rashi and Lagna both are the same, and the lord of Vrichika is Kuja, Mars. This is the chart of lord, star lords, sublords, etc. We have taken it for study purpose. This is a Rasi chart, Navamsa chart, Trayamsa, Dragana, Dashamsha and Shashtamsha. It is D1, D9, D30, D3, D10 and D60 charts for study purpose. This is an 360 degree chart also taken for study purpose. For simplifying the process or for the study purpose, I have taken an South Indian chart for explaining. Lagna Lord Mars is situated in Lagna. Chandra is also situated in Lagna itself. Second house and third house are empty. Fourth house occupied by Jupiter and Mandi. Fifth house is occupied by Rahu. Sixth, seventh, eighth and ninth house are empty. 10th house is occupied by Venus and Saturn. 11th house is occupied by Sun, Mercury and Ketu. 12th house is empty. In this horoscope, Moon is debilitated, Mercury is exalted, combust and it is retrograded. Jupiter is retrograde. Saturn is combust. In this applied condition, what all the yogas been provided to Modi ji's? Let's check. According to this chart, Ruchika yoga is being formed. Vasi yoga is being formed. Nipuna yoga or Buddha Aditya yoga is formed. Chandra Mangala yoga is formed. Gajakesari yoga is formed. Mala yoga is formed. Kedara yoga is formed. Parvata yoga is formed. Kahala yoga is formed. Shanka yoga is formed. Bihari yoga is formed. Parijita yoga is formed. Pushkala yoga is formed. Raja Lakshmi Raja yoga is formed. Another Raja yoga is being formed. And 3 different types of Raja Sambandha yoga is also formed. These all yoga is being provided by different planets, namely Mars, Venus, Saturn, Sun, Mercury, Moon, Jupiter, etc. Let's check. Ruchika yoga is been provided by Mars planet. When Mars as a Lagna lord placed in Lagna itself provides Ruchika yoga, the result is Modi ji will be natural leader, enterprising and bold in nature. Vasi yoga, he will be skillful, charitable and learned. Nipuna yoga, Buddha Aditya yoga, he will be skillful, expert, well known and respected all over the world. Chandra Mangala yoga, when the Chandra is in a combination with Mangala, Mars, combination of Moon and Mars gives the yoga of Chandra Mangala yoga. The results: worldly wise and materialistic success. Gajakesari yoga is been provided by Chandra and Jupiter, Moon and Jupiter. Gajakesari yoga makes a person famous and virtuous. Mala yoga gives the native happiness, comforts and luxuries. Kedara yoga makes the individual happy, wealthy, helpful and may indulge in agriculture activities. Parvata yoga makes him fortunate, charitable, easygoing and famous. Kahala yoga makes a person strong, bold, who can lead a large army. Shankha yoga provides a person wealth, good spouse, kind, pious, intelligent and long lived. Bihari yoga also gives the same result, but addition to that it makes a person religious. Parijita yoga makes a person like a king. He will be principled. He will be warrior in nature. He will be prosperous, strong and kind. Pushkala yoga. It will make a person wealthy, famous and respected by all kings. Raja Lakshmi yoga. It is one of the most powerful yoga. Makes a person fortunate and high achiever. A yoga called Raja Sambandha makes a person most important, like in olden days, like a person in a king's court or a famous minister, or he will be directly or indirectly connected with most of the kings. Let's study all these yogas in detail. Ruchika yoga, when Mars, the Lagna Lord, situated in the Lagna itself, which provides this Ruchika yoga. Vasi yoga, the combination of Venus and Saturn, which provides an Vasi yoga. Buddha Aditya yoga, a combination of Sun and Mercury in the 11th house, provides the native with a Buddha Aditya yoga. Chandra Mangala yoga, a combination of Moon and Mars in the Lagna, provides the native and Chandra Mangala yoga. Gajakesari yoga, when we calculate an house from Moon, it should be 1, 4, 7, 10. If Jupiter is occupied in the first house with the Moon, or in the 4th house or 7th house or in the 10th house, the Gajakesari yoga gets formed. Mahala yoga is being provided by many planets, namely Moon, Mars, Jupiter, Venus and Saturn. Parvata yoga is being formed by combination of 3 planets, Moon, Jupiter and Venus. Kahala yoga is being formed by a combination of Jupiter and Saturn. Why? Because from Jupiter, if you count, Saturn will be 7th house, and from Saturn, if you count, Jupiter will be 7th house. Both are in 180 degrees opposite. That is Sama Saptama, which provides the native with Kahala yoga. Shankha yoga, provided by Mars and Jupiter. Bihari yoga, a combination of Moon, Mars, Jupiter and Venus, provides the native with Bihari yoga. Parijita yoga is been provided by Mars and Moon. Pushkala yoga is provided by combination of Mars and Moon. Raja Lakshmi yoga or Lakshmi yoga, both are the same, which been provided by Mars and Moon. One Raja yoga is been formed by combination of Jupiter, Venus and Saturn. All these planets provide the Raja yoga. Why? Because from Jupiter, Venus and Saturn, and from Venus and Saturn, Jupiter are in 180 degrees. They are looking at Samasaptama place. The Yogada yoga is been provided by Ketu. Another Raja yoga is been provided by Chandra, Moon. And Raja Sambandha, 3 different types of Raja Sambandha yoga is been formed, which been provided by Rahu, which is placed in 5th house from Lagna, and the Sun and Saturn. The combination, the Raja Sambandha yoga is been formed. Modi ji is going through an Mars Mahadasha, a Lagna Lord's Mahadasha. Bhukti is Rahu Bhukti. You can check over here. The Mars is the Lord of the first house, as well as the Mars is the Lord of the sixth house also. Sixth house indicates Runa, Roga, Chatru. This particular sixth sthana, the Runa, Roga, Chatru sthana, is most important in the horoscope. As per the Mahadasha of Mars, you should be really careful with the health conditions, eating habits, because the Mars as a Lagna Lord will be giving all the benefic things, plus as the Lord of the sixth, he will be acting as the sixth place Lord also. So a caution. Should be very, very careful in the food and the eating habits or the diet. For the general public, they can reach me through telephone, WhatsApp, Telegram. Number is 9282103960. I request you all to subscribe the channel, press the bell button so that you can get the latest information at the faster rate. Thank you very much.